up, everybody? Happy New Year. Hope you had a good Christmas, holiday, all that kind of stuff. Epic, still with the Christmas, mate. Still with the Christmas. You get these free this month. Gathering resources advanced. Per symmetry. It's authorize. It's something symmetry. Line of sight dynamic mesh. Fantasy bundle environment kit. This is clouds and skies. Okay, so let's jump into it. This one is gathering resources advanced system. So this is a cool system actually. It allows you to gather different resources and collect them and break stuff, and they give you some nice stuff that you can go from. Aye, you can just add in your own meshes and whatever, but it's all there. It's all there. Look at that. It's set up gathering requirements. This is pretty crazy, and it gives you an inventory. All this kind of stuff. This is pretty cool. If you're into these kind of games, Minecraft or something, okay, it's pretty cool. The next one, peoplings. The next one is Ithris, Ithris Symmetry. And this is pretty darn cool. You get some cool assets with this one. You can create some beautiful things. Look at this details. Look at that detail. It doesn't look completely real, but it does have a beautiful stylized Ari. Look at that Ari. Look at the tombs, Ari. Look at that. Look at that Ari. That's pretty scary, isn't it, Ari? So this is pretty cool. Look at this, man. Even these particle systems and stuff, all there, all there. Probably the moon too. So this is pretty damn sweet. Not gonna lie, mate. Pretty damn cool. The next one we got is the line of sight dynamic mesh, which is pretty cool. Okay, line of sight, and then you can have AIs or whatever shooting and stuff. Ari, shooting. Look at this. Look at this. Boom, line of sight, and it calculates it. Ari, which is pretty cool for enemies and stuff like that. Ari, if you're making a game, look at that, Ari. You can make the angle bigger, Ari. That's crazy. Beautiful, Ari. Look at that. You can make it oscillating. That's beautiful. And you can put obstacles in there, Ari. That's pretty damn cool. Nice. This is just ridiculous. Fantasy bundle and environment kit by 3 in 1. This is insane, man. Look at this. Look at this. Look at all these assets you get. Look at this. I don't even know what assets I got anymore. It's too many. It's too many, mate. It's too many. But this is cool. This is insane, man. Look at this. This one. You get this one. Look at this. You can create all of this, Ari. All of these assets. Look at these particle systems. They're also very, very nice. It's very nice, isn't it, Ari? Go to hell, Ari. Go to fucking hell. Look at this. What would you do with it, Ari? Exactly. Nothing, you bastard. Anyway, that one and this one. You get all of these assets. It's ridiculous. It's crazy. Yes, epic with the big Christmas gift, eh? Gotta love these people. And then you get clouds and skies. This is very cool. You can make clouds. You can make skies. It's beautiful. So I think these are like domes or something. But look at this. This is pretty damn cool, man. Nice skies. Nice skies. If you don't have a sky like ultra dynamic sky or something, this is pretty damn sweet. Let's see what this is. That's textures, yeah. Are they HDRs? I don't know. Gary. I don't know. But this is awesome, man. Anyway, if you haven't got them, if you don't have an account, just sign up to an account, get the things. Once again, you can use them for anything if they're not made by Epic. You just got to know how to import them and convert the maps, but you can use them in any other programs. And it's pretty damn cool, man. Pretty damn cool. Once again, strong stuff. Look at these, man. So if you like Daz or whatever you are, Maya, Blender, whatever, you can bring them in. You can bring them in. Make your own textures if you want to. But this is bloody cool. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great new year. Let's start this new year great, man. Oh, I'm so happy the last one's done. Anyway, I hope you're all good, and I'll speak to you later. Bye, guys.